Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. If you've got this, the new iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange, then you're probably going to want to get one of these. So this is Sony's new speaker, the XB100. It's a wireless Bluetooth speaker and it is available in orange. In fact, it's available in 4 colors. It's available in a light gray, which is sort of silvery, but actually no, it's really light grey, black, and then a turquoise, which they describe as blue. I think this is the best colour for the XB100, and the good thing is it's a really great match with the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange. So let's take this out of the box and let me show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when it's out the box, and it looks absolutely brilliant. It looks as if Apple almost designed this for the Cosmic Orange version of their iPhone 17 Pro Max because it goes so well in terms of the colour match. And the product itself just looks quality. The other thing that I love about this is it's not much heavier than the iPhone 17 Pro Max itself. It weighs 274 grams and it's nice and compact. You can carry it around in your pocket when you're out and about. You can put it in your bag. The actual speaker size itself, the actual diameter of this is about 76 millimeters, and the actual height is only 95 millimeters as well. So that's great, and you've got the Sony logo right there, so it looks really good. And in terms of the buttons on this, you've got them over here. So you've got the power, you've got the Bluetooth, you've got the volume, and you've got the volume here, plus and minus, and also the play to skip, to rewind using that, and you can take calls on this as well. The good thing about this Sony speaker is that it is also dustproof and waterproof. So the reason why I purchased this new one is I've got the predecessor as well, and what I actually do is I just attach it in the shower in the mornings with this, and I can listen to my music, and you can use the double play on this to skip tracks. Press it 3 times and it goes to the previous track. So it's great to do that. I've also used it for accepting calls, and the call quality is really good as well. The actual charging is hidden behind here. So what you do is just pull that out, and then you have the USB-C port there, and then you just have to make sure you put this back in for that waterproof feature as well. So it's great if you want to use it in the shower. It's great if you want to use it on the move. If it starts raining, if you accidentally knock it in the pool, you don't need to worry about it. And in terms of price wise, I am a complete convert to the Sony mini speakers like this, because in the past I bought the expensive Bose speakers, which have cost me well in excess of £100, and although they go louder, for what you typically need, I find myself reaching for the Sony, whether it's at my desk or whether it's in the shower as well. And this only costs £35, so it's a bargain at that price. So if you're looking for a speaker to match up with your new iPhone, this is the one to go. Even if it isn't with your new iPhone, it's a great speaker. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.